Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, we're gonna make a delicious ranch dressing. If you love ranch dressing, this is a Greek yogurt based one. I think you're really gonna love it. Let's get to it. So this is a super easy recipe to make because pretty much any ranch dressing recipe is easy to make, but we're gonna be using Greek yogurt, and there's a few gotchas when you're making dressing with a yogurt that you need to watch out for, which I will get to later when we get to the yogurt part. But first, we're gonna start off with our mayo. So I have some mayo here added to a mixing bowl. I'm gonna add in some minced garlic, have some fresh thyme. I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon juice, some salt, some Dijon mustard, a little bit of buttermilk because buttermilk ranch is amazing. Now we're just gonna go ahead and mix this all together. So I'm mixing everything into the mayo first before I add the yogurt, because the trick with yogurt is if you overly mix it, it starts to break. And when it breaks, it gets kind of watery and it's not as pleasant. So we're just gonna mix everything into the mayo first and then fold in our Greek yogurt. Mayo, on the other hand, you can abuse before it does anything. So it's totally fine to mix it and over mix it. Okay, so that's all incorporated. Now we're gonna add in the Greek yogurt. Like I said, you don't wanna overwork this. Just kinda gently fold it in. So tasty. So that's all it takes to make a delicious Greek yogurt-based ranch dressing. If you like this video, hey, give me a thumbs up. If you like to cook like I do, subscribe. I release new videos every single week. And if there's something that you want to see, just drop a comment below. I'm always looking for inspiration. I'll see you guys next time. Oh yeah, very good. See ya.